Today we're going to look at Tagxedo. The first thing you're going to do is want to open up Google Chrome. This is the symbol for Google Chrome. And then you're going to put in Tagxedo, www.tagxedo.com. You'll get to this screen, and then you're going to click Create. Now Tagxedo will open, and you'll be able to see that it is a word cloud. A word cloud is a picture with words in it. In order to add picture or add the words to the picture, you need to click Load, and then down here where it says Enter Text, click in and you're going to type. Now, the first thing you're going to type, you're going to use words about you. I'm going to type my name, and I'm going to put Miss. And I'm not going to put a period because then it'll separate my word, but I'm going to hit Shift and the tilde sign, which is beside the 1 on the keyboard, and then Wolf. And that will put my name together.
Jamie Bannon, please come to the front office. Jamie Bannon, please come to the front office.
Next, I'm going to put Aunt Lee because that's what my nieces call me. And again, I want to make Aunt and Lee go together, so I'm going to put that together. I am a teacher. I am a reader. I am an artist. I am a singer. I am a friend. And there are lots of words I could use to describe me. Now I'm going to click Submit, and it's going to spin. At the bottom it says Respin, so it's spinning it, and now you can see behind it that it has all the different names. At this point I can add more words or change anything that I need to change, but I'm going to come down to Theme, and I'm going to look at the different themes that I could use. There are lots of different ones on here to choose from. And anytime you pick one, it'll go on and show it to you. Now, you can add your own themes using HTML code, but I'll explain that in a different video. So for now, just pick one of these that you like. After you pick your theme, you have different fonts that you can choose. I like the one that's on mine now, so I'm not going to change it. You can also click on the word font and it'll change your fonts for you. If you look at the bottom, it's chosen 3 different fonts to mix it up. You can do the same with theme. If you are unsure or don't like it, you can click on the theme and it will change it for you instead of you actually choosing. Orientation is the direction. So for example, right here it's in any direction. It could be going horizontal, vertical, but most of these are diagonal, but any direction diagonally. I can also pick horizontal so that all of them are going left to right. All of them are horizontal. I could do vertical, so all of them are vertical, or up and down. Or I can do horizontal and vertical H/V orthogonal, which means that they are not going sideways or slanted in any way, but there's a mix of horizontal and vertical. So that kind of goes through the respins that you can do. You can also lock them if you like the theme but you don't like the other things. You can spin all of them except for the theme or whichever one you want to lock. So that just gives you some example of what you can do. This is where the shapes come in. When you click on the side, there are different shapes that you can choose from. It always defaults to South America. So we're going to choose the bird for me for today. And there it is. But let's say that I want to have the bird be on the inside with the words on the outside. I can invert and click on it, and now it has gone the other way. If you want to, you can also use, if you click on the word shape, it will color those words. Now here's something to remember. If you do that and you like how the gray looks on it, when you save it, it won't save the gray, so you might have to take a screenshot of that picture using the snipping tool. And I'll show you how to use the snipping tool in another video as well. When you finish, you can save. Make sure it's image. Save 1MP, JPEG, or you can do a PNG. I'm going to do JPEG. And then I'm going to save it as my first name, last name, Tagxedo. And I'm going to add another word on here because I've already done this. but I just want yours to be first dot last name. Dot Tagxedo. Okay, so I saved it to my pictures, and I have lots of them on here from today because I had students saving to mine. But here is mine, and you can see it didn't save the gray. So in order to have saved the gray, what I needed to do was go to my snipping tool, and this will actually take a picture of it, and I can take some extra picture around it. And there it is. Then I can save as Diana.wolf.tagxedo, and then I'm going to add video with gray, but with you just first name dot last name dot Tagxedo. Okay, now if you're feeling adventurous or you just don't like any of these shapes, and there are lots of them, you can add your own image. You can search with Google. I'm going to search for an owl. They had some cute owl pictures today. I'm going to go to images. And because I don't want a real picture, because it's going to be easier, I'm going to click on search tools, go to type, do clip art, and now I can choose one of these owls. The color doesn't matter because when it shows up, it's going to be different anyway, because it's going to be black and white. So I'm going to choose, let's do one like this. Or better yet, let's use the chevron. I'm not sure how this will turn out, and that's something that you have to play with. When you open the picture, though, click View Image, because if you don't click View Image, you'll have a smaller version of the picture. Right-click, Save Image As, and make sure you know where you save it at. I'm going to click Save.
Would a custodian down by the band room please call 2100? If a custodian is down by the band room, please call 2100. Thank you.
Now I'm going to click Add Image, and I'm going to search for my picture. It's right here. Open, and I may want the words in white, or I may want the words in black, whichever one, however you want it. I'm going to do in black and click Accept. And there it is. Now, I don't like that, so I'm going to go back and click Invert to change it and see if I like this better. It's okay. I can take the color off. But what I want to do instead is go to Edit Image, and I'm going to take the blur down. This will show the picture more. I can mess with some of the settings a little bit. You see, it did not actually show the chevron in the background. And let's go with this one, Accept. And it's going to respin it. So we'll see if I like it. If you don't, you can pick another picture and use whatever you want if you wanted to do your own. So there's the picture. If I take off the shape, it's really hard to see. So some pictures are going to work better than others. Some are not going to work. If I invert it, it might look better. We'll see. If it does, great. If not, you can choose many, many pictures and try out lots of different things. Alright, so it's not my favorite. I would change my shape. But again, once you pick the shape that you use, then you can save that and share it with saving here 1 MP. Here is all of the things you need to know. Go to Load to enter your text. The theme is all of your colors. Font are your letters. Orientation is the direction. Shape is the picture. Save and share is how you're going to save it. And 1 MP is a good size. And then make sure you save it as your first.lastname.tagxedo. We will turn these in tomorrow in class. So if you were not here today, it's no big deal. We'll have time. Some people did not finish, or they wanted to add some different things to that. So hopefully you enjoyed this lesson. Feel free to make as many as you want and use them. They are really cute when you print them in color. And I hope you have a great day.